In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create expense tracker in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple tracker with clearly labeled columns, a color-coded category dropdown, and properly formatted amounts so any future totals calculate accurately. Start by setting up your headers in the first row. Think of these as the labels that keep everything organized. A straightforward layout works great in A1 type date, in B1 type description, in C1 type category, and in D1 type amount. Keeping category in column C and amount in column D will make the next steps smooth and consistent. These headers help you scan your data, filter later if you need to, and avoid confusion as the sheet grows. Next, let's create a drop-down for category so your entries stay consistent. Click in cell C2, which is the first blank row under the category header. To quickly select that cell all the way down, you can use a shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. On a Mac, use Command plus Shift plus down arrow. With the column selected from C2 downward, go to the top menu and choose Data, then Data Validation, and click Add Rule. In the Rule panel, choose Drop Down. Now enter your category options: lab supplies, food, travel, and utilities. To make your sheet easier to scan, assign a color to each option. For example, you might pick blue for lab supplies, green for food, orange for travel, and purple for utilities. Consistent colors help your eye catch patterns immediately. Save the rule, and your entire category column below the header will use that drop-down, preventing typos and mixed labels. Finally, format the amount column as currency. Click the D header to highlight the entire column. In the toolbar, you can click the currency button, the one that might show a symbol like P, or go to Format, then Number, then Currency. Choose the currency that matches your needs or location. This tells Google Sheets to treat everything you enter in that column as a number, not text, so any totals or summaries you create later will calculate correctly. A handy tip: type numbers without manually adding a currency symbol. The format will display it for you, keeping the data clean. That's it. You now have clear headers, a helpful category drop-down with colors, and reliable currency formatting. As your tracking needs change, you can return to data validation to add or rename categories. You're ready to start entering expenses with confidence and clarity.